about 2.5 hours or so.
Barcelona. I went to a churro place and I thought it was the shop next to it. I was like, this reminds me of that churro place, and then I saw it.
Şöhretten bunalmış diller yazma, kendi bahçendeki güller yazma, haksız yere genç öldüren elleri yazma, doğuda doktorsuz ölen kulları da.
The Segway mob, lazy buggers. It's nearly 5 o'clock, so we're going to head back. Yeah, we're going back to the hostel to have a little nap before going out to Primavera tonight. So.
Şöhretten bunalmış dilleri yazma, kendi bahçendeki gülleri yazma.
8:10 on Friday, we made it into Primavera, so we're going to go have a look around and see what we can see.